Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account completely from both your computer and your Android phone. Make sure you watch till the end, because once you delete your account, all your Gmail, Drive files, YouTube videos, and other Google services will be gone forever. Alright, let's start on Windows or any computer. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in to the Google account you want to delete. Once you're in, look at the left side and click on Data and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down to More Options and click Delete your Google account. Google will ask you to sign in again to confirm it's really you. Once you do that, you'll see a warning page showing what data will be removed. Read through it carefully, check the boxes to confirm you understand, and then click Delete Account. And that's it, your Google account is now deleted from the web. Now let's do the same thing on Android. Open your Settings app and scroll down to Google. Tap Manage your Google account. At the top, swipe over to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down again until you see More Options, and then tap Delete your Google account. You'll be asked to sign in again for security reasons. After that, review the information, check the boxes, and tap Delete Account to confirm. Once it's deleted, all your Gmail, Photos, Drive, and YouTube data will be removed. If you change your mind later, you can try to recover your account for a limited time by visiting accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. Before you delete your account, it's always a good idea to back up your files, photos, and emails just in case you need them in the future. You can do that easily using Google Takeout to download all your data. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Google account safely on both computer and Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.